In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add font awesome icons to Webflow. This is a straightforward yet valuable skill that can enhance the visual appeal of your website significantly. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is visit the Font Awesome website. Here, you'll want to download the free-for-web version of the icon font. This version provides a great range of icons that are perfect for many different projects. Once you've downloaded this package, you'll find it as a compressed file on your computer. What you need to do next is extract this file to a folder. It's important to keep everything organized, so make sure it's in a place where you can easily find it later. With the fonts ready to go, it's time to head over to your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the site settings of the project you're working on and then click on the Fonts section. In this section, you will upload the web font files. Specifically, you're looking for the WWF2 files, which you'll find inside the Web Fonts folder within the extracted Font Awesome folder. These are crucial as they ensure your icons display correctly on the web. Simply upload these files into Webflow and you're all set. Now let's return to the Font Awesome site. This time, we need to select the specific icon you want to use. Browse through the library and find the icon that fits your design needs. Once you've found it, copy its glyph. This glyph is basically the character representation of the icon, almost like its code. Now, swing back over to Webflow and switch to design mode. Here, you'll create a text box on your page. Choose a spot where you want your icon to appear and paste the glyph you copied into this text box. At first it might look like nothing special, but don't worry, we're almost done. The final step to bring your icon to life is to select the glyph you just pasted. Change the font of this text box to the font style you uploaded earlier from Font Awesome. As soon as you make this change, the glyph transforms into the icon you selected. There you have it, your very own Font Awesome icon within Webflow. By following these steps, you can add a truly professional touch to your website with some of the coolest icons available online. Keep experimenting with different icons and have fun integrating them into your design projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.